In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capitalize small text in Figma. This is an incredibly useful and straightforward feature that can significantly streamline your design workflow, helping you maintain consistency and apply specific typographic styles across your projects without the need for manual retyping. Whether you're working on headings, button labels, or any element that requires a strong visual presence with all caps, Figma provides a quick and efficient way to achieve this. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to transform your text. To begin, the very first thing you'll need to do is select the text layer you wish to modify within your Figma canvas. Once your text layer is highlighted, direct your attention to the right-hand sidebar in Figma's interface. This sidebar is where you'll find all the property panels and controls for the selected element. Look specifically for the text section. It's usually quite prominent, often denoted by a large T icon or simply labeled text at the top of its panel. Within this text section, you'll see a range of basic typographic controls like font family, font weight, font size, line height, and color. However, to access the option we need for capitalization, we need to delve a little deeper into the advanced type settings. You'll typically find an icon that looks like 3 dots in a horizontal line, or perhaps a small arrow, signaling that there are more options available. Clicking this will expand the Advanced Text Properties panel, revealing a host of additional styling capabilities that go beyond the basics. This is where we'll find our desired setting. Now that you've expanded the advanced type settings, you'll need to locate the case option. This is a crucial control in typography that allows you to define how your letters are presented. You might see options like original case, uppercase, lowercase, title case, or sentence case, presented as a drop-down menu or a series of clear buttons. For our goal of capitalizing small text, simply click on and select Uppercase. The moment you make this selection, you'll immediately observe your chosen text on the canvas transforming. All the letters, regardless of their original casing, will instantly convert to uppercase. This feature is a real time saver. Imagine manually retyping an entire block of text just to make it all caps. It's inefficient and prone to errors. With Figma's case option, you can maintain design consistency effortlessly. It's perfect for creating impactful headlines, ensuring uniform button text, or any instance where a strong capitalized aesthetic is required throughout your designs.